Hey creators, are you struggling to pick between DeepBrain AI and Pika Labs for your AI video needs? In just a few seconds, we'll break down which tool is best for you. Let's dive in. When it comes to who they are best for, or did I say what they are best for, DeepBrain is best for AI avatars, presentations, and marketing videos, while Pika Labs is best for AI-generated animations and artistic videos. When it comes to ease of use, DeepBrain is simple but template-based. While Pika Labs is more creative, you have more creative control, but a slightly steeper learning curve. When it comes to customization, DeepBrain has realistic AI humans and has text to video, while Pika Labs has stylized AI art, dynamic motion effects. When it comes to pricing, DeepBrain has paid plans that start at about $30 per month, while Pika Labs has free plus paid options, so it is more budget friendly. When it comes to speed, DeepBrain has fast rendering in less than 2 minutes per video, while Pika Labs is slower but has a more artistic output. When it comes to voiceovers, DeepBrain has built-in AI voices, while Pika Labs requires external tools. So, DeepBrain AI wins if you need realistic AI presenters for ads, training, or YouTube intros, while Pika Labs wins if you want dreamy, artistic AI animations for storytelling or social media. So which one are you choosing? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool showdowns. See you in the next one.